Today we're going to learn how to add by place value. Still adding, but we're not going to use a number line. So Ava brought in 46 box tops, Luke brought in 32 box tops. How many box tops did they bring in together? We're going to start with the equation. We have to add 46 plus 32. Then we're going to show our work so that we don't make a careless error. First, we're going to take the tens from each number. Since there are 4 tens in 46, the value of that is 40. And there are 3 tens in 32, the value of that is 30. When we add our tens together, 40 plus 30 is 70. Then we're going to add the ones place. There are 6 ones, and that's worth 6. So we're adding 6 plus 2 ones, which is worth 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then we add the 70 and the 8 together, and that gives us our answer of 78. So they brought in 78 box tops all together. You can see why this is called place value, because we literally broke apart the numbers by place value. I'm going to show you one more example that actually has larger numbers, just so you can understand how to do it that way too. A play was being performed at the Flat Rock Playhouse. On Saturday, 488 people attended the play. On Sunday, 243 people came. What was the total attendance for both days? 488 plus 243 is the equation that we are doing for this word problem. We're going to first start with the hundreds place since we're doing this by place value. The 4 and 488 is actually worth 400 because it's in the hundreds place. The 2 and 243 is worth 200. 400 plus 200 is 600. Then we're going to take the tens place. The 8 is in the tens place in 488 and it's worth 80. The 4 is in the tens place in 243 and it's worth 40. 80 plus 40 is 120. Sometimes students have trouble adding when it's over 100. So what I like to tell everyone is if 8 plus 4 is 12, then 8 tens plus 4 tens is 12 tens. You're just adding a 0 on. And then we add the ones place, which is 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So in the end, we're adding 600 plus 120 plus 11 equals 731. This is another place that a lot of students have trouble adding. So if they don't want or can't add all these numbers mentally in their head, they can actually take this equation and repeat the process. Just add by place value again. So here's the 600 plus 120 plus 11 that we ended up with. They could take the hundreds place again. 600 plus the 1 and the 120 is 100, and that equals 700. Then they could take all the tens. There's no tens here. There are 2 tens here, which is worth 20. There's 1 10 here, which is worth 10. That equals 30. And there's only one number has any ones in it, which is the 1 equals 1. And then 700 plus 30 plus 1 is 731.